Hey guys! Wow, I'm so excited to show you something amazing today. Are you ready to have fun and learn about helicopters? Let's go! Can you make the sound of a helicopter with me? Go whoop whoop whoop! That's great! A helicopter is like a super cool flying machine that can go up, down, and even sideways. It's got these big spinning blades on top called rotors. They're like giant fans that help the helicopter fly. Now here's the really cool part. The rotors spin super duper fast, and that's what lifts the helicopter into the air. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Whoosh! The pilot sits inside and uses special controls to make the helicopter go wherever they want. Up, down, left, right. Helicopters can do it all. Can you spin your arms like helicopter blades? Faster, faster. Let's pretend we're pilots. Which way should we fly? Guess what, guys? Helicopters are like flying superheroes. They help rescue people in emergencies, like if someone's stuck on a mountain or in the ocean. How cool is that? They can even fight fires and deliver important stuff to hard-to-reach places. Oh, and here's a super fun fact. Helicopters can fly backward. Isn't that awesome? Can you walk backward like a helicopter flying backward? Great job! Remember, helicopters are special because they can land in tiny spaces where other aircraft can't. They're so helpful and save lives every day.